Hi, Justin. How are you today?
Hi, Selena. I'm good. How are you?
I'm great. It's a sunny day.
Yes, it is. A good day to talk about our daily life.
Yes. Let's talk about our day.
They start their morning with a smile. Let's listen and learn how to talk about mornings.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
You wake up at 7?
Yes. I wake up, stretch, and open my window. The air feels nice.
That's good. I wake up at 8.
Oh, you wake up late.
Yes, I like to sleep a little more.
Great. You can say, I wake up at 7, or I wake up at 8. Try it.
After I wake up, I make my bed. Then I brush my teeth.
You brush your teeth first?
Yes. I like fresh breath in the morning.
Me too. After that, I take a shower.
Oh, I take a shower in the evening.
Good job. We use I take a shower or I brush my teeth to talk about morning habits.
After that, I eat breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat oatmeal and fruit.
I eat pancakes and drink coffee.
Pancakes again.
Of course! Pancakes make me happy.
Breakfast time. You can say, I eat breakfast or I drink coffee.
After breakfast, I check my phone and read messages.
I check my phone too. So many messages every day.
Yes! Sometimes I read the news.
I listen to music in the morning.
Music makes mornings better.
They both love music. You can say, I listen to music in the morning.
Then I start my work. I go to my studio.
I go to my studio too. I write songs.
I record new songs.
Music is our job and our love.
Yes. I feel happy when I sing.
You can say, I go to work or I start my work. It's easy and useful.
At 12, I eat lunch.
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat salad and rice.
I eat sandwiches.
That sounds good.
Time for lunch. Try saying, I eat lunch at 12.
In the evening, I go for a walk.
You go outside?
Yes, I like fresh air and quiet streets.
I play basketball in the evening.
You and basketball. Always.
Always.
Evening time. Try saying, I go for a walk or I play basketball. Selena said, you and basketball. Always. That means Justin always plays basketball. You can also say, you always play basketball. Try it. What do you always do in the evening?
At night, I eat dinner.
What do you eat for dinner?
I eat pasta or soup.
I eat pizza.
You love pizza, don't you?
Yes, I do.
Dinner time. I eat dinner at 7. easy and useful sentence.
After dinner, I relax on the sofa.
I play video games or watch movies.
What's your favorite movie?
I like action movies.
I like romantic movies.
That's sweet.
Great conversation. You can talk about movies too.
Before bed, I brush my teeth again.
Me too. I wash my face and go to bed at 11.
I sleep at 10.
Sleep well, Selena.
You too, Justin. Good night.
That was beautiful. You learned how to talk about your day, from morning to night. Every day can be simple and special. Keep practicing your English. You're doing great, and your English is getting better every single day.